Welcome to our tutorial on PHP programming. What is PHP? PHP is a server-side scripting language specifically designed for web development. It is extensively utilized for building dynamic web pages and applications. What are the features of PHP? PHP has several key features that make it a popular programming language. It is easy to learn and use, making it accessible for beginners. It is also platform independent, meaning it can run on different operating systems. PHP has support for various databases, allowing developers to interact with different data sources. It also has an extensive library support, providing pre-built functions and modules for various tasks. PHP integrates well with HTML, making it easy to create dynamic web pages. It also supports object-oriented programming, allowing for modular and reusable code. Additionally, PHP has security features to protect against common vulnerabilities and is scalable to handle growing demands. What are the data types in PHP? PHP supports several data types, including string, integer, float, floating point number, boolean, array, object, null, and resource. How do you declare variables in PHP? In PHP, variables are declared using the dollar symbol followed by the variable name. For example, $name equals John. What are the control structures in PHP? PHP provides several control structures to manage the flow of execution in a program. These include the if-else statement, which allows for conditional branching based on a specified condition. The switch statement is used to select one of many possible blocks of code to execute. For loops are used to iterate a specific number of times, while loops continue executing code as long as a condition is true, and do, while loops execute code at least once before checking the condition. Lastly, for each loops are used to iterate over elements in an array or collection. How do you connect to a database in PHP? To connect to a database in PHP, you can use either the Miscli or PDO extension. With both extensions, you need to provide the database host, username, password, and database name to establish the connection. What are PHP frameworks? PHP frameworks are pre-written libraries that offer a structured approach to building web applications. Examples of popular PHP frameworks are Laravel, Symfony, CodeIgniter, and Yi. These frameworks provide developers with a set of tools and functionalities that can be used to streamline the development process. By utilizing a PHP framework, developers can save time and effort by leveraging pre-built components and following established coding conventions. This allows for faster development, improved code organization, and increased maintainability of web applications. What is the difference between include and require in PHP? In PHP, both include and require are used to include files. The key difference lies in error handling. If the file is not found, require will generate a fatal error and halt the script, whereas include will only generate a warning and continue execution. How do you handle form data in PHP? To handle form data in PHP, you can utilize the $_post or $_get superglobal arrays. The $_post array is employed for data transmitted through the HTTP post method, whereas the $_get array is utilized for data transmitted through the HTTP get method. What are PHP sessions? PHP sessions are a way to store and retrieve data across multiple pages for a specific user. They are commonly used to maintain user login state, shopping carts, and other user-specific information. With PHP sessions, you can store data on the server and access it as needed throughout the user's session. This allows for a more personalized and interactive experience for the user. Sessions are a powerful tool in PHP for managing user data and enhancing the functionality of your website or application. We have now come to the end of the PHP programming tutorial. Thank you for your time.